If you're seeing people on social media ball out because they are Forex traders or whatever kind of traders, just know that if you jump into this thing just because you're seeing that, you may win some things, but it's only going to be short term. So some of the keys to help you sustain in this business is basically doing your research on your trades. That's going to really help you. And then second, being dedicated. Third, being motivated. And fourth, I find to be the most important, is to have a genuine interest in trading, mainly because when those times get tough, when you lose, because you're going to lose, it's not 100% guaranteed that you'll never lose, just so you know, like your interest in it in general will keep you going. And that's one of the things that has kept me going when I've had really bad losing trades. Sometimes I'll take a couple of days off and just do something else and then come back to it, mainly because I know that I need that break for myself. And then second, because I have a genuine interest